Prostate health is a topic often overlooked, yet it's vital for men, especially as they age. The prostate, a small gland that plays a significant role in the male reproductive system, can be the source of various health issues. As men age, the risk of facing prostate-related problems increases. These can range from benign conditions like BPH or benign prostatic hyperplasia to more serious issues such as prostate cancer. Regular medical checkups and professional advice are essential in maintaining prostate health and early detection of any potential problems. However, in addition to these, there are natural remedies that can complement medical treatments and preventive measures. But remember, any new health regimen should be discussed with healthcare professionals before starting. Understanding the prostate and its functions can help in maintaining its health and preventing common diseases. The prostate is a small gland that plays a significant role in the male reproductive system. It's about the size of a walnut and is situated just below the bladder. The prostate's primary function is to produce seminal fluid which nourishes and transports sperm. However, like any other part of our body, the prostate can have its share of issues. One common condition is benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, where the prostate enlarges and can cause problems with urination. There's also prostatitis, an inflammation or infection of the prostate that can bring discomfort or pain. And, of course, prostate cancer, which is one of the most common types of cancer in men. These health issues often come with symptoms like urinary problems, including frequency, urgency, and difficulty in starting or stopping the flow. Discomfort in the pelvic area might also be a signal. Knowledge about the prostate and its potential issues is the first step towards better health. Nature offers us a variety of remedies that can support prostate health. Let's dive into the top 5 natural remedies and how they work. First up, we have saw palmetto. This small palm tree is native to the southeastern United States, and its fruit is a popular natural remedy for symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. It's believed to inhibit the production of a hormone that can cause the prostate to enlarge. While it's not a cure-all, many studies suggest that saw palmetto can be a helpful supplement. Next, let's talk about tomatoes. They're packed with lycopene, an antioxidant that gives tomatoes their vibrant red color. Lycopene is believed to lower the risk of certain types of cancer, including prostate cancer. By including tomatoes in your diet, you'll also reap the benefits of other healthy nutrients like vitamin C and potassium. Moving on, we have pumpkin seeds. These little powerhouses are rich in zinc, a mineral that plays a key role in maintaining prostate health. Zinc deficiency has been linked to BPH, prostatitis, and even prostate cancer. Pumpkin seeds are an easy, tasty way to boost your zinc intake. Fourth on our list is green tea. This wonder drink is loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, that may help reduce the risk of prostate cancer and improve urinary function. It's a delicious, healthful beverage that can be enjoyed hot or cold. Last but not least, omega-3 fatty acids. These are important fats that your body can't produce on its own. They're found in fish oil and have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that could help in reducing the risk of prostate diseases. Adding more omega-3s to your diet can be as simple as eating fatty fish like salmon or taking a daily supplement. While these remedies can provide support, remember they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement or major dietary changes. Natural remedies can complement traditional treatments and preventive measures, but they shouldn't replace a comprehensive approach to health that includes regular checkups and screenings, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and maintaining a healthy weight. A healthy lifestyle is the foundation of good health, including prostate health. It starts with a balanced diet, rich in fruits and vegetables, and regular physical activity. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial, as obesity can increase the risk of prostate issues. Let's not forget to steer clear of smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, both known to harm prostate health. Regular medical checkups and screenings are vital for early detection and prevention. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a long-term commitment, not a quick fix. Enhancing prostate health is a journey that involves both natural remedies and lifestyle adjustments. Today we've explored the role of the prostate, natural remedies like saw palmetto and tomatoes, and the importance of a balanced lifestyle. Remember, these remedies are useful tools to support your prostate health, but they're not substitutes for professional medical advice. We'd love to hear your experiences or tips on maintaining prostate health in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-related content, and always consult with your doctor before starting any new health regimen.